Hi there, students. Perfidious, an adjective. Perfidiously, the adverb. And perfidiousness, a noun. Okay, perfidious means you can't trust them. They're not loyal. So, you could describe the UK as perfidious when it came to its treaties with the European Union. Okay, so perfidious, untrustworthy. This is a perfidious attack on the rights of the individual. Okay, treacherous, deceitful and untrustworthy. Yeah, a perfidious boyfriend, duplicitous, disloyal, unfaithful. Okay, so with this, I need to mention the phrase Perfidious Albion. Okay, this talks about the UK in the context of international relations. Yeah, duplicity and treachery. Yeah, and this phrase Perfidious Albion has been used by people all over the world about the UK for, well, for many years. I think particularly in the 18th century, but apparently this phrase goes back to the 13th century. It's the rest of Europe saying you can't trust the Brits. Yeah, they make a treaty with you, and then they are perfidious. For example, the Treaty of Limerick in 1691. Yeah, the British did not. The British repudiated the terms of the treaty. Yeah, or to quote, let's see. I was looking for this one. Yeah. George Galloway, who's a British politician, in 2004, he said that in his opinion Kuwait was clearly part of the greater Iraqi whole, stolen from the motherland by Perfidious Albion. Yeah, so if you want to say you can't trust the Brits, Perfidious Albion is a great phrase. Yeah, so perfidious. He perfidiously stabbed me in the back. His perfidiousness means that you should not trust him under any circumstance. So perfidious, dishonest, disloyal, faithless. Yeah, politicians are a perfidious breed. You can't trust them. They're going to say one thing and then do something else. Okay, so perfidious. Yeah, the perfidious aggressors will not sign a peace treaty, and even if they do, you still can't trust that they're not going to break it. Okay, so faithless, you just can't trust them. Okay, so well, I think governments are certainly perfidious. They promise you one thing and then do another. He perfidiously lied about me and I got into a lot of trouble. Yeah, I was in real trouble due to his perfidiousness. So, formality. This is a literary word. I suggest you use it in the phrase Perfidious Albion. Yeah, the Brits have reneged on their promise again. Yeah, Alex, he didn't pay me back that money he owed me and he promised me. Perfidious Albion. Yeah, okay. Let's see. So formality. This is a literary word. I'd probably give it 7.5. Untrustworthy, disloyal, something like that. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin perfidiosus. Yeah, per, through, and fides, trust. Okay, so through trust, well, you can't trust them. So perfidious, I'm so lucky I don't have perfidious subscribers. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Perfidious Albion.